Hello there. At Britlish, we cover English from top to bottom, helping students around the world to improve their English skills in the Britlish Library, and from the bottom of our hearts we'd like to invite you to enjoy the new British English lesson in the Britlish Library today. This new lesson teaches you 12 common British English idiomatic expressions which use the word bottom. The 12 idioms are: at the bottom of the ladder, learn something from the bottom up, to be at the bottom of something, the bottom of the barrel, bottoms up, the bottom line, smooth as a baby's bottom, from top to bottom, the bottom drawer, to hit rock bottom, from the bottom of my heart, and the bottom fell out of. If you don't know what these common English idioms mean, you need to get to the bottom of them by visiting the Britlish Library today at britlish.com. All the lessons in the Britlish Library are free for everyone to use, and even if you are at the bottom of the ladder in your English skills, with our help you will soon be at the top. The hundreds of free, multimedia-rich, interactive English lessons in the Britlish Library are like no others available anywhere on the internet. Only those at the bottom of the barrel will fail to improve their English skills at the Britlish Library. You can find a direct link to the bottom idioms lesson below.